What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. This tutorial will guide you through the process of downloading and installing Lunar Client for Minecraft. Lunar Client is a popular modded Minecraft launcher that enhances gameplay with various features and optimizations. By following the steps, you'll be able to download Lunar Client quickly and start enjoying its benefits. So let's begin. First, open any browser like for example Google Chrome, Firefox, or you can use a Brave browser like mine. After you open any web browser, click the URL search bar to type the website. Type this. This is what it looks like when you visit the Lunar Client website. In the Lunar Client website, click on the download button, which is located at the top right of the screen, beside the menu tab. After you click the download button, scroll down until you find the download button again, depending on what operating system you use. Since mine is Microsoft, I will click the download button in the Windows section with a Microsoft logo, and the download has been processed, so you just need a few seconds. Now you can choose the directory where you want to save the installer of the Lunar Client. After you choose the directory, click Save, and there you have successfully downloaded Lunar Client for Minecraft. With this client, you can enjoy enhanced gameplay and access various mods. As a next step, consider exploring the available mods with Lunar Client to further customize your gaming experience. If you encounter any issues during installation or setup, refer back to Lunar Client support page for troubleshooting. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.